Hello everyone and welcome sa tahanang AS Brighto Vlogs, and of course today samahan niyo ako at di sana ako mag-celebrate guys ng aking birthday, but of course doon sa mga di nakakaalam, not yesterday, that was a day before yesterday, November 7, I celebrated my birthday, and of course I'm alone in Holland, so hindi ako nag-celebrate kasi wala tayong ka-dinner na family. And shout out sa aking mga family dyan, Nanay Melba, Angging, Auntie Sai, Auntie Rosit, Uncle Manilang, and everyone. Thank you for the love nung umuwi ako dyan, and then of course sa mga kakilala natin dyan lahat. And nung bumalik ako dito, I really don't have the plan to celebrate or having dinner during my birthday kasi nga alam nyo na, baka makaiyak tayo. But anyway, dahil kahapon ay lumabas ang result ng Pharmacist Board Examination in the Philippines, and my niece, congratulations to Bulaklak, the Scarlet Pit, Ka-English Clarito, the second daughter of Nanay Melba, who passed the board exam for pharmacist. So I have that enough reasons to celebrate not just my birthday, but of course sa pagkapasa ni Bulaklak. So itong food na ito is really a celebration for two, that is my birthday, and of course pumasa ang ating pamangkin. Bulaklak, congratulations, and I really choose to be in my favorite restaurant. Lalo na at na-miss ko itong mga pagkain na nasa ating harapan, and gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo guys yung mga pagkain na paborito ko talaga sa Thailand, and one of those is the Thai Pat Thit Mam Muang. Okay? Ulitin ko, makinig kayo dyan. The Thai Pat Thit Mam Muang. So why it's my favorite? It is because made of chicken breast siya guys, and then a little bit spicy kasi dito sa Thailand, kailangan ready ang iyong dila with chili, okay? Kasi talagang 4 taste sila meron. So, malalasahan mo yung salt, malalasahan mo yung sweet, malalasahan mo yung spicy, and sourness of the food. So, kaya nga napakasarap ng mga pagkain. And this one is one of the best. So, maanghang siya a little bit, and then it is made of like chicken breast. And ang pinakamasarap nito kasi marami siyang cashew nut. So, paborito ko kasi ang kasoy guys. So, mayroon siyang mga cashew nut, and then gusto ko ipakita sa inyo closely para ayan guys, ganyan siya kasarap. Yan yung tinatawag na Thai Pat Thit Mam Muang na aroy-aroy mak. Aroy is delicious. Si aroy. Aroy mak. So that is my favorite Thai Pat Thit Mam Muang. So Kai is the chicken, Thit is spicy, Thai Pat Thit Mam Muang is the cashew nut. So I hope tama ako sa aking translation. Basta masarap na masarap ito. So whenever you have to visit Thailand one day, you have to try this one. And I ordered this one in other provinces and even in Bangkok, but this one in the restaurant where I live is the best. So talagang masarap siya, and di ba natatakam na akong kumain. Stop, masarap kasi talaga. And then another thing is I ordered this whole deep fried fish. So ganyan siya kalaki. Tilapia siya guys ha. Ganyan. Baliktarin natin, that is tilapia. So, deep fried siya. And then, ang twist kasi nito is bakit ko siya paborito ay mayroon siyang ilalagay na, tingnan niyo itong ilalagay. That is, kita niyo? That is mango. So, ang gagawin natin is ibubuhos natin yung sabaw ng mangga dyan. May suka yan guys na maanghang. And then, ganyan siya, paliguan mo siya ng maasim-asim, tapos ibuhos mo yung mangga dyan. So that is mango na kita nyo may mga onions, may chili, may garlic, and then ganyan siya ka-sarap. So, ibuhos na natin lahat. Anyway, ako lang isang kakain ito. So, ganyan lang tayo guys. Ano? So, simulan na natin kainin. Ang sarap nito guys, yung mangga na ito. But, kain tayo. This is a celebration I said for my birthday and kay Bulaklak na rin yan. So, wala dito si Bulaklak. So, I'll be eating for you. Lagyan natin ng onion. And basta malasang malasa yan. So, wala tayong rice, guys. Balik tayo sa no rice diet. So, we only have this fish and chicken. So, anyway, the chicken is a chicken breast. So, good source of protein na natin yan. Sarap. Samahan nyo na ako, birthday ko naman eh. So, pagbigyan nyo na. Huwag kayo umalis guys ha. Hanggang matapos tayo, kayo ang kasama ko. So, don't go around. Don't do anything. Just sit with me and let's have this food. Eat together. Ganito, and then andyan yung isda, lagyan natin ng mangga. Ganyan. Then masarap kasi yung mangga na to guys, kasi hindi siya ganun kaasim. May touch of asim siya, but not so maasim. Sarap. Then let's have this Thai Patpit Mamuang na masarap to. So, unang subo para sa'yo. Which one? So, make sure wala kang rice pag kumakain ka ng ganito. The best. I-try nyo guys i-try nyo na mag deep fry kayo ng, kasi ang dami namang tilapia dyan sa Pilipinas, diba, or everywhere. Tilapia is just very common. So, i-try nyo na magluto ng deep fry and then mag-grate kayo ng mango. Parang parang nag-grate ka lang ng papaya. So, ganun lang. And then, itimpla mo yung mango with onion, ginger, meron siyang bawang na marami, and then chili. Parang salad, mango salad, ganyan. And then, yun yung ilagay nyo, toppings nyo doon sa deep fried fish. Masarap. Pero ang napansin ko lang talaga is, commonly, ang ginagamit nilang mangga is yung manibalang, yung kita nyo naman, di ba, yung hindi pa hinog, hindi rin naman hilaw. So, nasa kalagitnaan, manibalang nga, di ba? Explain pa manibalang. Ganyan kasarap ang pagkain dito. So, pag nakabisita kayo dito, surely dito kayo na restaurant dadalhin. And then, itong dalawa, 100% i-order natin to. And then, they still have another foods. Kasi ang Thai cuisine kasi guys is very rich. So, isa talaga siya sa famous cuisine around the world na dapat nyo matikman. At ang dami nila talagang mga menu na ang sasarap. So, itong mga in-order natin ay kabilang doon sa mga masasarap talaga. So, the Thai Patpit Mamuang and then the Nampla. Parang, hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng basta deep fried fish. Ano yun? Ang pasatay niya na is Nampla. Hindi ko na memorize. Basta, yun na yun. Ang mahalaga dyan, naka-celebrate tayo. And then again, congratulations, Bulaklak, Carla Pitt Clarito, and of course to Nanay Melba, congratulations. And you have now 2 professionals. And soon you have doctors already. Basta just keep going guys. And andito lang naman kami to support, to pray for your success. And sa lahat na nanonood, thank you really so much. Huwag na natin tapusin to, baka abutin tayo ng 1 oras. Thank you for watching guys, and if you have not subscribed to EASI Variety Vlogs, please do subscribe, and of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we have new uploads. And please like of course and share this video. So, yun din natin at napakalaki pa ng ating fish. 1 oras pa siguro tayong kakain. Basta, purposely, this is just a celebration of my birthday and of course, the passing of Bulaklak, Carla Pitt Clarito. She's now a licensed pharmacist, and of course, we ordered this Kaipatit Mamuang, and of course, the deep fried fish with mango on top. So, that's all, and thank you very much. Bye bye, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.